Hi, I'm Tristan.
I'm Getty, and we're the Teen Traders.
Getty, congratulations on that call you made in January about oil prices.
Yeah, thanks. I mean, everybody was running for the hills like a big bomb was about to go off, but that was the time to get in with whatever money you had left in your portfolio.
And speaking of portfolios, that's what we're going to be talking about this week.
So, there's something really important you need to understand before you start trading.
You can't just trade willy-nilly. There are rules.
You gotta have a diverse portfolio.
You don't want to invest all of your money into one sector.
So, for example, let's say this time last year, you bought a bunch of oil stocks, you're feeling pretty good about yourself, and then a few months later, oil is falling out of the sky faster than almost it ever has before. And now you are scared out of your mind.
You're stuck with really bad stocks and your portfolio is doing miserably. And another way to think about this is like a garden. If you have only one type of flower, like just tulips, and they depend on the sun doesn't come out one day, your garden's doing pretty bad. But if you have a completely diverse garden, then you won't have a day where all of them are doing bad.
Perfect example.
And another thing to think about is what other things can affect your stock going up or down, like vertical integration.
Or what a lot of people hear it as is hedging. You gotta know what makes your stock go up and down, and maybe even buy the stock that does the opposite of yours. That way, you're covered.
Yeah, that's a lot like what hedge funds do.
Exactly.
And the last but most important thing to do is to open a paper trading account.
With a paper trade account, you can do anything you can in the real world, in real time, but with fake money, which means no risk.
Making it the best way to learn.
That's how I learned. I opened a Trade Monster paper trade account with $100,000 and turned into $200,000 in a year and a half. And that's when I knew I was ready.
And you can be as successful as Getty. Just remember, it's so easy an adult can do it.
Why don't you play the game?